Hello everyone. Now we will solve numerical on impact of jet on inclined plate when plate is stationary and as well as when plate is moving. So let us go through this question. A 7.5 centimeter diameter jet having a velocity of 30 meter per second strikes a flat plate, the normal of which is inclined at 45 degree to the axis of jet. Full stop. Find the normal pressure on the plate when, first case, that is when the plate is stationary. Second one, when the plate is moving with a velocity of 15 meter per second and away from the jet. Full stop. Also determine the power and efficiency of jet when the plate is moving. So we have to calculate under two cases. So first let us go through this question and write on the given datas. Let us go through the given datas. A 7.5 centimeter diameter jet, so that is nothing but diameter of jet d is equal to 7.5 centimeter, so that is equal to 0.75 meter. So you can calculate area by the using diameter. So area of jet A is equal to pi by 4 into d square, so that is equal to pi by 4 into 0.075 whole square, so that is equal to answer. If you solve it, you get the answer 0.00417 meter square. So let us see what is the thing next given. So having a velocity of 30 meter per second, so it is nothing but velocity of jet v is equal to 30 meter per second, the normal of which is inclined at 45 degree to the axis of jet. So this is nothing but the normal of which is inclined at 45 degree is nothing but, if you refer this figure, so this is nothing but normal line. Normal to the plate is this line. So this is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to the axis of jet. So this angle from this line to this normal line, so that is nothing but 45 degree. So it is not theta, you can calculate theta. So the entire this angle is 90, so this angle is 45, so 90 minus 45 is equal to this angle theta. So we can calculate theta is equal to 90 minus 45, so that is equal to 45 degree. So you have to calculate now normal pressure when the plate is stationary. So we have to go with the first case, that is when plate is stationary. So that is nothing but this case. So we know the formula to calculate force exerted on the inclined plate when the plate is stationary. So that is equal to Fn is equal to rho into A into V square into sin theta. So rho is nothing but density of water is equal to 1000. Area we have calculated and we got the answer as 0.00417 into V square, that is nothing but velocity of jet is equal to 30, so that is 30 square into sin theta, that is sin 45 degree. So if you solve this, you will get answer as 2810.96 Newton. So this is a case 1. So next is when the plate is when the plate is moving with a velocity of 15 meter per second. Isn't it? U is equal to 15 meter per second. So that is case number 2, when plate is moving with velocity u is equal to 15 meter per moving with velocity u is equal to 15 meter per second. So we know that formula. So this is the case when plate is moving at a velocity u. So formula to calculate normal pressure or normal force is nothing but Fn is equal to rho into A. So for the stationary it is rho AV square sin theta. So here in place of V you have to put V minus U whole square sin theta. If you substitute here 1000 into area is 0.004417 into V is nothing but 30 minus velocity of plate is nothing but 15 square into sin 45. So if you solve this, Fn is equal to 702.74 Newton. So first thing you have calculated here the normal pressure when the plate is moving. Now also we have to determine the power and efficiency of jet when the plate is moving. So you should also calculate what is a power and what is a efficiency. So we can calculate what is a power. So power is nothing but we can calculate power. So that is nothing but Fx into U divided by 1000. So we have calculated here Fn, not the Fx. So we should calculate force exerted in the direction of jet. So that is nothing but Fx is equal to Fn into sin 45. So that is 702.74 into sin 45. So that is nothing but Fx is equal to 496.9 Newton. So next let us calculate the power. So power is equal to Fx is nothing but 496.9 into U is velocity of plate is 15 divided by 1000. So that is nothing but if we solve it we will get answer as 7.453 unit is kilowatt. So next let us go with the efficiency. Efficiency eta is equal to output of jet divided by input of jet into 100. We will get it in percentage. So what is output of the Z. Output of Z is nothing but work done. So that is nothing but Fx into U. Input of Z is nothing but kinetic energy. So that is half into mv square. So m is mass per second, can be written as rho into A into V into V square into 1000. Sorry, into 100. We should substitute the values here. Fx is nothing but 496.9 into U is 15 divided by half into rho is 1000. A is 0.004417 into, so V into V is V cube, or we substitute as 15 into 15 square into 100. If we solve it, we will get efficiency eta will be equal to 12.5%.